What's up, guys? It's been a while since I've posted a video about my hiccups. um, it's been 3 years, and tomorrow will be 3 years, 1 month with the hiccups. This year started off. Let's just say right now, I'm on the longest episode I ever had. Check this out. So this is 2021. So I end off the year with 11 days, and I went up to 20. What is that? 25 days in January. Then I went a break. Yeah, happy break. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and a half day break. Since then, it's been tough. Let me see if I'm correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. All of February, no break. All of March, no break. End of March with 64 days. Now we in I skipped April. In April. So we start off April 65. Today's gonna be 66 days. I had a lot of procedures. I actually had surgery. Excuse me. Ever since like September last month. I also burp a lot. Anyway, December 7th, I had a surgery where they sorry, talking gets me tired out. So I had a surgery. You can see scar. It doesn't look that bad. You can hardly see it, but this line right here. So they cut my C4 or the stem of my C4 nerve, cut it and repair it, put it back together in hopes that it will cure the hiccup. And I say about three months I should know if it worked. Obviously didn't work, but I gotta keep the positive stuff. I used to have bad acid burn, like laying back like this. It was hard for me. I would get acid burn and a lot of reflux. I still get reflux, but I haven't had acid burn since the surgery, so that's good. Also, I used to have a lot of choking spasm. If you go back and watch one of my videos, you'll see the end of one of my choking spasms. Since the surgery, I had 2 choking spasms, like within the last month of this, within the last month after the surgery. Since then, no choking spasms, no a lot of throwing up. I don't think I threw up twice since the surgery. So while the hiccup is still here, still sucks. Hate it. Still averaging about 55 plus a minute some days, especially at nighttime. I'm grateful for no acid burning, no choking spasm. please, please, I'm gonna say sorry again for all the burping, but I really can't help it, especially when I talk. Crazy thing. Yesterday I did a I forgot the name of it. You suffer something where they put the the catheter down my nose and it goes into my uh gut somewhere down here. Crazy, crazy. Listen to this. When I woke up yesterday morning, no hiccups. Right? So that's good. I don't want to have hiccups, but I kind of wanted hiccup for the test so that they could see what exactly is happening while I'm hiccuping. I got like 3 hiccups when I was first talking to the nurses that do the procedure. That was it. Do the test, fine. No hiccup. The couple of burps, but fine. As soon as I drove off from the hospital, I mean, I pulled out the park in, got on the street, and to the first light was like maybe 3 seconds. The hiccups started. I was so mad, so mad. Like, you wait to come now when it's like you don't want to go away. You want to stay here, but I don't want you here, as I don't like these hiccups. So I was pissed. But there's nothing I can do about it. But I just try to be positive. I've gained back some weight, which is awesome since I stopped choke choking and no acid burn. The acid burn kept me from eating as much as I could, so I gained back about. Yesterday morning, I was back up to 175 pounds. I'm a slim guy, slim trim. Don't have to go to the gym, but I usually weigh about 185. So I got 10 more pounds to go. Yeah, so 6 days without a full break. I don't know what to do, y'all, but I think I'm gonna try a holistic doctor. And I know a lot of people been asking how I'm doing. I'm still alive. I'm still blessed to be alive. I'm glad that I'm not bedridden or in the hospital. Everything still a struggle for me, but I'm here. I'm living a hiccup life that sucks. Really sucks. But hey, subscribe to my page. I'll keep you guys updated on any changes, anything that happened. And today was my oldest daughter's birthday. Couldn't do much because of quarantine and because of my hiccups, but she enjoyed her gifts, what I could afford, and she's happy. So I wish I could have did more, but yeah, that's an update, guys. Sorry it's been so long. So 3 years tomorrow will make 3 years 1 month. If anybody knows any cure for somebody that has hiccup as long as I do, man, please let me know. Want to know another crazy thing? My stomach. When I have the hiccup, my stomach is huge. It's crazy, right? And if I wake up with no hiccup, it goes back down. I don't have a flat stomach anymore since this, but this is ridiculous. Look at that. I look like 6 or 7 months pregnant. Sometimes it's bigger than that. It's ridiculous, guys. Anybody out there that's going through any rare illness that can't find a cure and it's messing up your life, I pray for you. 'Cause I understand. And it's hard for people to understand what I'm going through. After 3 years, I still can't believe that he can actually do this. Oh, and my shirt, Jamish Friday. This was a event I used to do. I'm also a DJ, but not now since the hiccups. But it was a bomb event, man, and hopefully I can get better and outside open back up and I can be a DJ and be me again. Also be a better person. All right. Anyway, peace out. All you people with hiccup fetish, you guys, something wrong with y'all. But I know you guys are enjoying this. But hey, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more videos, more updates, more things I try. Maybe it'll help somebody out there, even if I can't help myself. All right. Peace out. Subscribe. Leave a comment and no stupid comment, please. Leave what you want. I just won't respond if I think it's rude. Peace out. If you guys and Christians and Catholics that celebrate Easter, happy. This is Good Friday, Holy Saturday. Enjoy your Easter weekend. Peace out.